Is podcasting for business beneficial? Podcasting is a type of audio content that is typically released episodically and is available on the internet. The most common form of podcasting involves recording an interview, usually with someone who has expertise in a particular field or topic, then editing it into a coherent narrative. This can be done either using software such as Audacity or by simply writing down notes during the conversation. There are many different types of podcasts, including news shows, interviews, comedy sketches, music reviews, etc. But one thing they all have in common is that they're free to listen to online for anyone anywhere at any time. In 2020, there were 332.2 million internet users who listened to podcasts, and by 2021, that figure had risen to 383.7 million. Advantages of podcast for businesses. 1. Reach new audiences. Podcasting allows businesses to reach new and niche audiences that they may not have been able to reach through other forms of content marketing. When it comes down to it, podcasts are about connecting directly with people who want what you've got to say. They can be as short or long as you like, and if someone wants more information from you, she will find out how to get hold of you. 2. Build authority and trust. By podcasting, businesses can position themselves as experts in their field and build trust with their audience. They are also building credibility by being transparent and honest about the problems they face every day. People like hearing from real-life examples because it helps them relate to what is happening in the world around them. 3. Establish thought leadership. Through podcasting, businesses can share their ideas and thoughts on various topics, which can help them to establish themselves as thought leaders in their industry. This will also give people a reason to listen to your show. They'll be interested in learning more about your business or industry, so they may even become customers of yours. 4. Generate leads and sales. Podcasting can be a powerful tool when it comes to generating leads and selling products, services. You could have an expert guest on the show who is able to answer questions that potential clients might ask. Podcasting benefits the business. At this point, you're offering something for free, which means you've got a lead on someone who wants what you offer. Podcasting is a great way to share your brand message with the world. You don't need anything fancy. Just turn on your computer, plug headphones into your speakers, press play, and you're set up to record audio files. Once recorded, podcasting is relatively simple and quick to produce. Upload them to iTunes, publish them via RSS feed, and voila! To know more about how you can set up a podcast for your brand, message us and we will help you with it. Contact KLT Social today.